Few careers demand as much courage and expertise in offshore welding. Whether scaling towering oil rigs, repairing ship hulls, or securing underwater pipelines, they work in extreme conditions where accuracy is everything. It's not just welding. It's welding while fighting waves, battling sea pressure, and working in complete isolation. Offshore welders don't just build and repair structures, they do it in some of the most extreme conditions on the planet. The job isn't just about skill, it's about endurance. Offshore welders face high-pressure environments, strong currents, and unpredictable weather, all while they need to ensure critical repairs hold strong. One of the key aspects is that it requires complete control with accuracy. Welders must be able to operate in low visibility, manage electrical hazards, and work with specialized equipment to fuse metal in these conditions. With harnesses and rigging as their only lifelines, they perform delicate and major repairs where even the smallest error could lead to catastrophic failures. Each weld must withstand immense pressure, corrosion, and the brutal conditions of the open sea. Beyond physical challenges, mental resilience is also important. Weeks or months away from land mean adapting to confined spaces, high-risk tasks, and demanding schedules, all part of life on an oil rig or marine structure. Can you do this job?